We live in hybrid times. The online world and physical world are colliding, and as a result of that, we are witnessing a collision between different value structures. In the physical world, we are used to having democratic institutions that safeguard human rights and also public values. But the online world is quite the opposite. The democratic institutions are missing. We've become accustomed to hackers and disinformation and also buggy, faulty systems that cause harms in our lives. And at the same time, algorithms and big tech corporations seem to govern this online world. Now that these two worlds are coming together, we are witnessing something that we call hybrid democracy. So both these structures, undemocratic and democratic, are coming together. This is a huge design challenge for our society. We have to design new democratic structures that safeguard our rights. And this will be at the heart of a new track at the Digital Society School that we call hybrid democracy. The track will start with a MOOC in which we will explore the needs for these structures for the digital democratic society. And also we'll start with transformation projects that focus on the role of citizens and the media as agents of change and watchdogs in this new hybrid democracy. We also look forward to working together with democratic institutions, with private companies, and also civil society organizations that want to contribute and strengthen democracy. And together we can create new prototypes, maybe normative frameworks, or even entirely new democratic design frameworks.